Hey everybody, happy Tuesday and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and this is Lynn's Wonderful World of Makeup and More. Today is the final Tuesday of 2020. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a look with my Milani Gilded Rouge palette. I think it is an absolute beautiful palette that you can do some really pretty looks for New Year's Eve. If you're interested in seeing the look that I came up with, stick around.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface.
Welcome back everyone. Like I said, hi, I'm Lynn, and this is Lynn's Wonderful World of Makeup and More. On this channel, I do things like unboxings, tutorials, get ready with me, try-ons, first impressions, empties, collabs, challenges, anything that has to do with makeup and fun, I love to do on my channel. For those of you that have been watching me, you know I have a whole brand new lineup starting out for 2021, and I am super excited. I cannot believe we are in the last few days of 2020. I don't know about you guys, but I am happy to get this year over with. It has been a roller coaster ride, to say the least. But I can say that the best memory I will be taking from this year is starting my channel and getting to know you all. You all have made such a huge difference in my life for the better, and I feel so blessed each and every day. But like I said, in today's video, I am going to be using my Milani Gilded Rouge palette. As you can see, I already started my one eye. I thought this palette was super, super pretty, and I thought it would be nice for a little glitter and glam for maybe if you're going out on New Year's Eve. Hey, I don't know. I don't go out and do the party thing anymore. Haven't for a long time. I like to sit home with Harry and just happily watch the ball drop. So as you guys can obviously see, I already set my face. I'm going to show you real quickly. I used my Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. I love this. I've been loving this stuff. I used my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer in this shade Shortbread. I used that for my foundation. And then for my concealer, you guys know I used my favorite, my Laura Geller Baked Radiance Cream Concealer. The liquid concealer that I had, the other one that I lost in my bag, I'm getting a new one. That is actually my absolute all-time favorite concealer, but this is what I have for now, and it's working out well. And then I topped it off with my Believe Beauty Matte Blur Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium. I did my eyebrows with my Benefits Precisely My Brow eyebrow pencil in 3.5, and I set my eyes with my Urban Decay eye primer potion in original, and the rest of it is my look, which I am going to show you how I did that. First off, I took the shade Sangria, and that's what I used as my transition shade. I do go up higher with my transition shade than most people do. I have hooded eyes, and if I do not, the color will get lost in my crease. So I just automatically bring it up higher so that everyone can see the color. And then what I did next was I took By the Glass, this deeper wine color right here, burgundy color, and I just used that to darken up my outer edge. You guys, I am going through it with my brush situation right now. I have a lot of brushes, I do, but most of my favorite brushes that I use on my eyes were in my bag that I lost, and I have been trying to make a new set of brushes. You know, I pulled them from different sets, obviously. I don't have an inner corner brush at all anymore, and like I said, all my whole favorite. I am also putting that underneath of my eye was in that bag, but I am working on rebuilding uh, a brush collection that is gonna be like my everyday, go to. We all have our favorite brushes and our things. You guys know what I'm talking about. So this look is very simple and very easy to do too. Like I said, and then what I did was I don't have any like glitter glue or anything like that, but I took this. This is gonna sound crazy. I took this purple right here, the avec moi, I guess is how you say it, and I put that inside the rest of my eye first, and then I took I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to read it. Okay, wifey. I took the wifey, which you guys can see. I've been loving on that color, and that's what I placed. Now I don't know if it's because I don't have glitter glue but I found it was just completely easier and more time efficient to just put it on my finger and tap it into place rather than trying to wet the brush and go through all that. First off, when I did it the other day and I tried it that way, I had glitter all over my cheeks, my nose, everything. But I just found it was easier that way for me anyways. And like I said, underneath my eye, I just took that same color by the glass and took it all the way across. I did not choose to smoke mine out. You can if you want to. It's up to you. I guess it all depends on the effect of the look that you are going for. I'm just trying to round that up. And then I went, what did I just do with it, guys? Like I literally just had it, okay, in my hand. I went back in just a little bit of the sangria and went back and forth with it just to make sure that that color stood out. And then I just took my big tapered brush and blended it all together to make it a nice seamless look. I also went in with my Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. Most of you know that is pretty much my go-to highlighter, and that's what I used in my brow bone area. And I also where is that brush? Sorry guys, like I seriously had everything where I wanted it a minute ago. I also used some of that in my inner corner. Like I said, I'm having a fit with my inner corner because I do not have the brush that I am used to using. But I am making it work. I am making it work until I get one. Um, I am going to pause right now and go off camera and do my eyeliner and my mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, everybody, welcome back. So I went off and I did my eyeliner and my mascara. I just used my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade 0 and my Urban Decay Perversion Bigger Blacker Batter mascara. I have been absolutely loving both of these since I got them in my box last month from Busy Beauty. They pretty much have become my favorites. I'm just going to take that same Ofra highlighter. I don't want anything too, like I said, I'm just trying to do a little simple, nice look. If you were like going out maybe for dinner or something on New Year's Eve, a little party. I don't know that anybody's going to be doing anything with everything going on, but I know some of you are more like more boom with your highlighter. I do sometimes. I have to go out to the doctor's today, so I'm trying to keep it toned down just a bit. If I was actually going out, I may be putting on a slightly brighter highlighter, depending on how I was feeling. I could not find the blush that I wanted to use, so I am going to just go into my Profusion blush and bronzer palette, and I am going to mix those two and see what I can do right there. I was looking for one that had more of the burgundy in it. I do have one somewhere, but obviously I can't find it at the moment. But that is what I am going to do with that. And I had picked out a different lippy that I was going to use, but I decided to go with this one, and I will tell you guys why on Friday when I do my very first Friday fails and Holy Grails. This is the LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss. I cannot tell you the shade name because it's not on there, but I absolutely love this, and we are going to talk about this more on Friday because I found out something that really impressed me. But this is my completed look. Tell me, guys, what you think down below in the comment box. Have any of you guys used the Milani Gilded Rouge palette? Have you used any of the Gilded palettes? This is the second one I got. I also have the Gilded Jade. I would like to get some more of them. Some of them are very, very pretty, and I absolutely love Milani products. So what do you guys think about the look I came up with? Drop it down in the comment box below. You have any thoughts, any suggestions on the things that you would like to see me do for you guys on Tuesday tryouts? You let me know, and like I said, I will do my best to get the products and try them out for you. I do have some things lined up that I have been saving. I've been using a lot of my regular stuff all the time, so that I do have some new things to try out for you that I have gotten recently. But pretty much that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. If you're new here, please consider jumping over and smashing that subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Like I said, I have a great lineup starting this new year. I talked about it yesterday in my Monday morning masks. For those of you that have come back, thank you. You guys are so freaking awesome, and I am like steadily every day climbing to that 200. I cannot wait to get there and do my 200 subscriber giveaway, because you guys are so amazing, and my year has been so much, and you guys do not know how much you mean to me. um uh can everybody please go over? Sorry guys, it's like I'm jumbling my words today. It's like I can't think. um can you guys please go over and rate my video if you like it when I try out new palettes? If you think you're gonna like Tuesday try-ons, give me a thumbs up. If you don't think that this is going to be a good series, or you have any other suggestions, you can give me a thumbs down and leave your comments in the comment box. Let me know what you don't like about it. That's all I have for you guys. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay blessed. If nobody else told you, I am going to tell you that I love you, and you are loved, and you are special. And until next time, love and hugs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I